everyone! For this one you may require the medicine, empathy medicine strips, and then inside it we are placing some of the beads, covering the whole lids with the help of this thing and making the eyes, and then you can insert them into the different characters that you have already prepared. Let's try to make this cute little toy. For this one, circular shape of the sheet of the paper is prepared. We are creating the artificial eyes and then making the whiskers with the help of the straw. Then we are placing some of the ears, that by folding the stripes of the paper and then holding it with the help of the straw. Let's try to make this beautiful handbag. For this one, a circular sheet of the paper is trimmed off. It's folded at the center, and now you just have to create the different patterns with the help of the clay. Here we are making some beautiful flowers out of it, and the handle is also added. Super glue is used for this type of the activity. Let's try to make this beautiful hat. Then we are going to decorate it. Circular sheet of the paper is trimmed off, and after that these triangles are placed upside down, and after that you just have to paste some of the leaves or some of the flowers in the background. You can make use of the grass as well. Let's move further, try to make this reddish. For this one you just have to take the colorful paper, you just have to fold it at the center, then you just have to trim it off from both the ends. You just have to paste it. After that you just have to that are greenish in color, and then one after the another you just have to paste them. This is the simplest of the all activity. You just have to take this green sheet and then trim it off into the heart shape, then one after the another repeat the same process till all these leaflets are covered. Let's move further and make this hanging. First you just have to trim down the shape of the cloud with the help of the scissors. After that you just have to add the features with the help of the marker. Now tiny small stripes are pasted one after the another with the help of the super glue. You just have to repeat the thing so that these rings are created, and now hang it off. It looks quite beautiful and quite good. Let's move further, trim off this shape. After that add artificial eyes, then make the rest of the features, then again fold them and create the rings out of it from the tiny stripes that you have trimmed. Here we are making use of the multiple colors, lighter to darker shades are used here, and then we are hanging them together. For this one we are making the circular sheet, double-sided tape is added, and the white sheet is added, then the red one, and then the seeds are made, and we are holding it with the help of this thicker stripe of the paper. You can make use of the straw as well. Let's move further. Now you just have to take this yellow sheet, fold it as shown here. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused. You just have to fold it and unfold it. After that with the help of the scissors you just have to trim it off, and you can see this type of the star shape is created. Let's try to make these beautiful ties. For this one you just have to take this paper and you just have to trim it off according to the shape, then decorate it with the help of the heart. Inside it you can place any message or anything. Let's move further and try to make these corns. For this one we are taking this yellow stripe of the paper and trimming it off according to the shape of the corn. Now the rest of the things that are the leafy portion is also made with the help of the marker. We are making some of the markings so that giving it a real touch, and adding the head portion we are adding some of the eyes and the lid. Let's try to make this 3D apple. For this one we are taking this red sheet of the paper, folding it down, trimming it off with, and from both the ends you just have to trim it off with the help of this white sheet of the paper, making the seeds at the center. Don't forget to make the stalk. Let's try to make this beautiful bow. For this one you have to take the sheet of the paper and you just have to fold it and unfold it. After that fold it from the center portion to create a square sheet, and you can see many creases are created here with the help of your fingers. You just have to make them bold. After that fix them properly. Once you have fixed them properly you just have to fold it from both the ends. You can just pause the video and follow the each step properly. Once you are done with all this, time now to just fold it and cut it at the center as shown here. It's very easy and very good. Definitely give this one a try. Just pause the video and follow the each step in a sequential manner. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos.